Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a very fun, colorful makeup tutorial. The focus of this look is on the eyes. I've already done my base. I'm going to list all the products I've used in the description box below. Now let's straight away jump to the eye makeup. I'm going to use the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to use this color for the crease. It's a nice warm brown, quite a bit of orange tone in there. I'm going to use it quite generously to define my crease area. Next, I use the shade Ibiza from ColourPop, and this is a really beautiful color. Firstly, the pigmentation is just wonderful. You can see how well and how strongly it translates to the skin. Even when I'm using a brush, generally ColourPop eyeshadows work better with fingers. And this is bright, and yet it has a somewhat pastel quality to it. Next, I'm going to use this green color once again from the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using this along the rest of the lid. And you'll notice I've gone slightly above my crease for this look. Next, I'm going to use a clean blending brush, and I'm not doing too much of blending. I kind of want the look to be slightly stark, so I'm not over blending it. I actually like it as it is, but I want to glam it up a little more, so I'm going to do a little more work. I'm using that same crease color and applying it quite thickly along my lower lash line. Next, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Brightening Brick in the shade Naked, and this is actually one of my current favorite highlighters. I'm using this in the inner corner. I'm also using this along the brow bone, and later on I've also used this along my cheekbones. Before I do my lower lash line, I'm just going to refine and correct a little more, add a little more of that green, see that it follows my crease line nicely and has a nice shape. I'm going to do 2 coats of the MAC Hot and Naughty mascara, which is the mascara I'm currently using, and I really like it. And before we do any more work on the lower lash line, I'm going to do a bit of concealing, and I've already used a concealer before, so now I'm using a slightly lighter color with the purpose of brightening, and the one I've used is the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Ginger, which I really like for brightening the under eye. For my skin, I've kept it really simple with this bronzing palette from Natio. I've used one of the darker bronzing shades which has a nice bit of gold shimmer to it, and just used it to warm up my skin. And then I'm using the Demi-wispy lashes. This is from the brand Kiss, and I picked this up from one of the beauty stores when I was in the US last month. This look sort of evolved by itself once I was doing my makeup. I didn't really have a very clear plan of what I was doing. I decided to use a bit of kajal just to glam up the eyes a little bit. I've used the Nykaa eyemBold kajal here. And then for my lower lash line, I decided to go with a pop of purple, and this shade is called Dare. This is also from ColourPop, and it's a very vibrant shimmery purple. And I did sort of like a extended lower wing just to give it a slightly different look, and then finishing off with some mascara. And for the lips, I'm just using a nude lip gloss. This is Spice by MAC. And that is the final finished look. I know this is not exactly a very wearable look, but I just wanted to have some fun with color because it's been some time since I did a makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.